Alright, what's going on, you guys? We just got some 93 octane gas for this baby. I'm trying to figure out if there's a way to get through behind all this garbage. Fuck, I don't think there is. Oh, hold on. Oh, fuck. Alright, sorry. There is a barrier right there, and I really don't want to go right. I want to go left to right around while I talk to you guys. So, well, it's okay. We'll go left or right. Oh, maybe. No. Maybe there. Hold on. I'm gonna waste more gas doing this shit. Alright. This is funny. I'm just possibly an idiot. Yeah, oh my god, you can drive through here. Holy shit, okay. No? No? What? Bullshit. Oh. Oh? Hell fucking yeah. Can I drive through there? I'm tempted to drive through there. Am I gonna get arrested if I try to drive through there? Fuck. Yeah, I think it's closed up there. Ah, that's frustrating. Anyway, it looks like we're going all the way around. That's fucking annoying. Come on, you guys. Come on. Chop, chop. Come on. Foot on the gas. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright. I don't know if I've said it enough, but this bike is crazy. It's got so much power. People don't realize how much different a 1000 is compared to a 600. There's so much more power. Like saying, oh, it's 2 times more powerful is one thing, but this, it's just, you can't fucking explain it. You just can't. I'm not even full throttling it. That's like half throttle. Half. I'm also in road mode. This is not even like their sport or whatever it's called, with no limitations or whatnot. This is like, it's got so much power. So much power. It's crazy. See? About half. About half. That's all I'm giving it. That's how crazy it is. And it just pulls. It just keeps on pulling. And this bike is not tuned. Like, it's stock. I just got it 2 days ago. It's completely stock. I want to put at least about 500-600 miles on it before I start buying any mods. But I'm already planning to get a exhaust, a air filter, a couple other things. I'm really thinking whether to just get an ECU flash or actually go to a dyno tuning and really get this bike dialed in. So it's really just gonna depend, but I love this bike so much I can't even explain it. There's no way to try and explain how much I am in love with this bike. It's just amazing. It's amazing. There's no other words to explain it. But anyway, I'm gonna try to drive around, find a little place we can take pictures and you know, do a thumbnail for the video. But this video where these clips are going to be on is just going to be that same video of the initial new bike reveal type of video. So I'm also going to do like a 1 month review on the bike. I live in California, so it rarely rains in beautiful fucking weather. Beautiful. And I'm also trying to not get arrested or get any tickets. Oh, that truck is not. I'll go through here. There we go. Do some jank shit because we can. All right, it's like what, 66 degrees outside. Beautiful weather, beautiful, you guys. Just got my baby some 93. I want to find a 96 or higher octane gas station around here, but I don't think there's any. Do a little pull right there. Just a little pull. I love this bike so much, I don't even know how to explain it. This bike is just amazing. So worth the 20K I spent. I think it's just a stock Charger. Looks like a Dodge Dart, not gonna lie. We'll see. There's usually cops around here, so I'm gonna try to take it easy. Take it easy. And I'm doing what, 10, 15 over the limit right now. You know what they say? We don't, but you know, I love this bike. The one thing I have not tried out yet is the launch control, and that's one of the coolest things I've ever had in a bike. To be fair, a lot of things in this bike that I have are things I've never had in a bike, like ABS, traction control, wheelie control, all that fucking cool shit. And the quick shifter! It's got a quick shifter! It literally has a quick shifter. All I have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. It's got a quick shifter. That's the coolest thing any bike could ever have. And the fact that Kawasaki puts them OEM and a steering stabilizer. Yamaha doesn't have that. Although the R1s and their cross-plane engines, it sounds so good. The cross-plane engine is probably the best sounding engine ever, period. But it's got the worst brakes probably in any stock bike, and it doesn't have a steering stabilizer. Those are the two things I was looking when I was in the market to buy a 1000cc. It's got to have a steering stabilizer, and it's got to have good brakes. Brembo's on these bad boys, good suspension, as well as a steering stabilizer, all for a much cheaper price than what the R1 would have cost me. I'm okay with that. I am A-okay, because I love this bike so much. So much. Let's do some jank shit right here. Woo! That was a little pull. I don't even know how fast I went. I looked down, I saw 91. But, oh my god. And I think my favorite or the coolest thing that this bike has, it has an app. There's an app for this bike. You can control things like the not the stabilizer, the suspension from the app. You can control the engine braking. Oh, slow down. Sorry. You can control a lot of the things on the app that you can from this screen. Not all of them, but a lot of them. Like I said, the engine braking, ABS, wheelie control, traction control. You can also set how, at what point does the shift indicator light starts to go off from the app. This is from the app, and I think one of my favorite things in the app is that you can have different user profiles, as in you can have different profiles for, you know, like a track day where you have I don't know if you can turn on ABS or not from there, but you can do things like the amount of traction control it has. The traction control and wheelie control are both tied together, so it's kind of like, you know, I'm always, or not always, but at least for now, while I'm messing around with this bike, I am going to keep traction control on because I don't want to die, and I love this bike so much. Next on the list is to get a nice truck. But yeah, the camera's still recording. Whew. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just trying to, yeah, wait, that's not a Dart? I thought that was a Dodge Dart. It was apparently a Charger. It's probably a V6. But yeah, it's so nice outside right now. It was supposed to rain tomorrow. Then I just checked the weather like an hour before I decided to go ride, and it's not raining, so cool. I guess we'll mob around, do some dumb shit tomorrow. We are also, me and a couple of guys are planning to do a little ride up to Mount Diablo in the Bay. I was like, I think around San Francisco area, or right by Dublin / San Francisco. It's right up there. So hopefully we can get like 4 or 5 guys to go up there, just to go for a day, relax, ride around. But yeah, oh, there's so much traffic. Now I don't know if I want to go here. I need to pee though. Oh, let's turn the blinker off. I really need to pee. Why is there so much traffic? What time is it? It's like 4. Oh, well, that explains. A lot of people are getting off work. Work! Let's talk about work. Oh my god. So, where do I start? Where do I start? Work. Alright, so I got hired at this one company. I'm not going to name them. But I really started to enjoy my job. I started to enjoy the people I was working with. And during my interview, they saw that my last few jobs, I spent really no more than like 6 months with every job. And they're like, well, we're looking for someone who's gonna stay with us long term. And I'm like, yeah, I want a long-term company that I can stay with, because I don't want to stay with some shitty company that I don't enjoy working with, or the people who make it extremely difficult to work with. So anyway, long story short, I spent about 3 weeks, 2 of which I was being trained at the company before they were like, we hired you because we thought it was going to be slow, so we gotta lay you off now. And I'm just like, fuck off. It was extremely frustrating. So I'm kind of jobless right now. Well, jobless. I applied to another company who hired me pretty much immediately. So yeah, I start on Monday. Today is Thursday. So I just want a full-time job where I can, you know, also make decent money, not some minimum wage shit. Especially here in California, you will not survive on minimum wage with how expensive everything is. Look at those cows. Look at those cows. Those cute little creatures. That's so cool. I never drive slow by here, so it's, you know, details. What else did I want to talk about? A lot of things I've already mentioned, like this bike. That's a new bike for me. First 1000cc, and I for the 100th time, I am so glad I went with the ZX10R. I'm so glad I didn't go with any other bike. A lot of people, people, say, oh, you need to go with a Yamaha R1. You need to go with this bike. You need to go with the Gixxer. My opinion is that you're going to love, no matter what bike you get, so much. Like my Honda CBR 600 that I got, that I've had for, I don't know, like 3-4 weeks before that dipshit hit me on a intersection at a stop sign. I love that bike so much, and I really did like that bike. Like I don't know, that whole situation, just having that bike for 3 freaking weeks, and some douchebag does not know what a stop sign is and decides to just rail through it and hit me, and then tries to claim that I was speeding. It's the whole thing is a mess. I got a lawyer, we got to sort it out. I got some money from it, and now we're riding this beast. But yeah, fuck people. I'm about to just do some jank shit. Yeah. I'm just sick and tired of sitting there. People are so fucking slow. That's probably illegal. Probably. But I don't think we care. This guy probably doesn't even know that I'm here. Or if he does, he's probably texting. It's what, 4 o'clock? Go ahead. I'm not in the turning lane. Sorry, ma'am. Slow down, Neeson. Don't kill me. Even though I'd be technically at fault, but you know. Not that we're asking. Come on, I want to go. Let's go. Yeah. Everyone's so far behind. God, I love this bike. Oh my God. I am so happy that I got this bike. 20K well spent. Period. You'll never be able to tell me otherwise. Yes, the R1 has a beautiful sounding engine. It has shitty brakes and no steering stabilizer. I also don't know if it has all these fancy tech like the ZX10R. I love this bike so much. I literally don't know how to describe it in words or explain to people how awesome this bike is. Like, I love this bike, period. It's amazing. I'm so happy I got this bike. I wish I was riding with someone in case I fuck up over here. The downshifting on this bike is a little... I'm not waiting. Fuck that. Nope. And then we brake. Challenger. Sorry, I'm all over the place. I see a nice car. I think that was a V6. I didn't see a badge, but I love this bike so much for the 100th time. This bike is amazing, and I recommend anyone who's looking for a 1000cc and doesn't have a lot of money to spend. This is a beautiful and amazing bike, and everyone should own one. Period. Everyone should own one. The upshifting is so good, and then the downshifting is just like clunky. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me or I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I hope there's not a lot of bugs because it's cold, but we'll see. We'll see. Come on, you guys. Don't go slow. Yeah, I'm gonna try to have this video up by the end of the week, perhaps, or most likely up by Saturday before we go to that trip to Mount Diablo. And then if there's anyone else who's going to Mount Diablo, they can join us who lives here in California. Oh shit. Why? Why? Just fucking go! Jesus Christ. God, I would pass right here. I don't know if there's a plane somewhere or a chopper. I hate slow drivers. They ruin all the fun. But why? Why are we slowing down right here? I want to pass so bad. So bad. Oh well, we're driving, we having fun, we driving. I really want to do pulls with some nice cars, like a Hellcat or a Scat Pack. That'd be so much fun. You wave, doesn't matter if it's a 3-wheel or a 2-wheel.